This is I just bought it boat, and this is just sort of a quick intake on it. They've been playing with carburetors. You can see they've rounded that off right there, and pretty well did about the same with that. Trim doesn't work. Steering is pretty special. But anyway, if you just put some cross-thread it and put some putty right there, that makes it all good. Linkage was off. They've been beating on the carburetor. There's hammer marks right there. And hammer marks there. And hammer marks on that also. But let's skip to spark plugs. There's the number 1. There's the number 2. It's number 3. 4. 5 and 6, and that looks like the only one that's got anything good going on with it. They probably shouldn't be rusted, and that's pretty solid rust. But we know they had a known problem, and they thought this cover plate was what was causing it to get water in the cylinders, and they had the cover plate off. And you can see the silicone where it's squished out. And that's a new cover plate right there. So they've had the cover off of it. Probably thinking that that's where the water was getting into the cylinders. And they had a heck of a time with that number 6 plug. I'm not quite sure what they were using to round it off, but they did that. There's a gas sample. So we've got good spark. We've got phenomenal compression, if not too much compression. This trim doesn't work. So we're not quite sure where this project is going. And of course, those are the wrong spark plugs. Those are the Champions instead of the NGK.